Here's a tutorial on how to connect CINENORM series monitors to the Sony A7 for camera via a wireless Wi-Fi connection. It applies to the BM5 for WR and BM7 to DS models. First, set up the camera. Press the menu to turn it on. Select Network, then Network Options. Tap Access Often, Settings, and turn it off. After that, click on Menu to return to previous menu. Select Wi-Fi and change the Wi-Fi band to 2.4 GHz. Next, return to previous menu again. Swipe down to find the connection, Remote Shooting. Select Remote Shooting function and Wi-Fi direct information to view and note the device password. Now, let's start the monitor connection. Tap the monitor screen to bring up the menu. Then tap on the external devices icon. Next, enable Wi-Fi. In the Add New Device section on the right, select your device, enter the correct device password, and click OK to complete the connection. When you open the monitor again to connect to the camera via Wi-Fi, you won't need to enter the device password again, but you need to go to the My Device section, find the device you want to connect, and simply tap on it to establish the connection. If the connection fails, try sliding to Connection, Remote Shooting in the camera's network menu. Then select Remote Shooting function and then select Wi-Fi direct information on the monitor. Go to My Device and click on the device you want to reconnect. Alternatively, you can remove the device from My Device on the monitor and repeat the previous Wi-Fi connection steps to reconnect. After the connection is successful, you can tap Rec to start or stop camera recording. Click on Iris. You can adjust the parameters of aperture. Click on Shutter. You can adjust the parameters of shutter. Click on ISO. You can adjust the parameters of ISO. Click on Focus. In AF mode, you can enable touch focus and switch the focus frame style. In MF mode, you can change the focus by using the on-screen buttons. Tapping Zoom allows you to control the camera's digital zoom. Please note that this parameter can only be adjusted if the zoom range is set to digital zoom in the camera settings, or if a motorized zoom lens is used. To set up digital zoom, follow these steps. Tap Menu to open the camera menu. Go to the Shooting menu. Swipe down to the Zoom section. Select Zoom Range, and then choose Digital Zoom to complete the setup. Click on WB to change the white balance mode of camera. When the white balance is set to color temperature mode, tap CT to adjust the color temperature of the image. Click on EV. You can adjust the exposure value. This concludes the full tutorial on how to connect the CINENORM series monitor to the Sony A7 for camera via Wi-Fi.